Hello everyone, welcome to Tutti Forti. Today we need to find solution for one problem. If this video help you or you learn something new, please subscribe to my channel so I can make more videos like this in the future. My friend brought me this saw, and problem is he tried to rewind recoil spring and he managed to lose it somewhere. This one is not from this saw. I took it from this string trimmer, and we're gonna try to make this one work on this model. Please guys, whenever you work on chainsaws, wear your safety goggles, especially when you work on recoil springs. So safety is #1 priority. He already took this starter off, as you can see. And we just need to figure it out in which direction this pull cord go. I'm only doing this because I didn't manage to find the original recoil spring for this Dolmar saw. What's important here is to figure it out how this recoil spring catch on the pulley and on this cover. So you have nice notch there. It will be easy to make on the end of our spring. And here it have this 2 notch. Also you need to check for the direction in which you need to rewind it. If this go like this, easy way is to look at your rope. So it need to go like this, obviously. So spring, you need to return it in that way, counterclockwise. So you need to wind it clockwise. Also, you need to check how wide your spring must be. This one here is close to 5 millimeters. So this spring is 4 millimeters, but that's okay. If it's wider, it's not good. I found this recoil spring from the string trimmer really easy to work on, because it's not that stiff, it's actually really soft, so you can bend it even with your fingers. On that string trimmer is a different system. You wind your recoil spring inside of the pulley, and then your middle part catch on this notch here. On this saw it's actually kinda opposite. I already tried this part of the spring. I bend it a little bit. That part that catch in the middle of that string trimmer starter, it's hard to focus. I bend it a little bit like this. Sometimes when you have stiffer spring, you need to heat it up a little bit, but this one is okay. And let's see. I will do it like this, so you guys can see. Need to catch on this pulley, like that. It's really hard to focus. And now the tricky part. You need to look good. Let's see. So what we say? Let's turn it like this. So our springs need to wind it in this direction. It's really easy to put it in the wrong direction. I'm going to try it like this. Yeah. So you remember that. And now we're gonna work on this part of the spring. So if these springs go in that direction, it will need to go around like that. And we will bend this part to go around this shaft and go there. You can make it a little bit longer. Okay, let's bend it like this. Don't press it that hard. Now it's easy to break it here. I think like this we will be alright. And sometimes this can be really tricky and dangerous. So this is the part where you need to watch your eyes and your face. Let's see. It's really easy when you need to wind it in the pulley. This is a little bit harder. Let's see. Can I manage to wind it like this? Sometimes this part can have some plastic part, so you wind your coil inside of it. Let's see. Sometimes this can be really hard to do. I find it easier when you let it fall like this. Your pull cord and your spring. Especially in the beginning, it can be really hard to do. Oh my god. It's a little bit easier when you have somebody to help you, to hold your spring for you. And you can hold it and somebody can wind it. But you can do it. I'm literally sweating like here. don't relax. If you relax, it will pop out and probably hit you in the nose. Hold it here. Ooh. Let's go. If I miss the direction, no. Wait. Oh, it's so much easier when you have somebody to hold it like this. And oh, I'm so close. No. Oh, these two bloody pins always going in the way. But maybe it's problem in me. Oof. Only people that work on this stuff knows how hard can it be to wind it. No. Oh. 5 minutes. It only take me 5 minutes to do it. And it's not even done. Oof. From now on will be much easier, but watch out. Don't let this spring pop out. And you need to bend it a little bit like this. So this pulley can go like that. So let's see. I found this part inside of the pulley. I hope that's the original part. I don't even know. Okay, let's line up. Let's see, clockwise. Yeah, that's good. Keep in mind, this is not original, so it can have some problems. Maybe we missed something between the pulley and the starter. Let's check. So now it's stuck, so you don't need to tighten it like all the way. Let's see. take your rope. You can find this notch and put it here like this, and you wind it clockwise. So let's see. Oh. Let's do one more turn, and then we will tighten this bolt a little bit. Like that, like this it works, but we need to find a perfect like tightness. Is that even a word? It can go like this. Let's see. Let's do few more turns. 1, 2. Let's back up one turn. I don't like when it's like this. Let's do one more turn again. Okay, I'm gonna put it now on the saw and see will it work. Also, it has this plastic for the air. This have hole for this back cover, so you need to work it a little bit like this. You can pull it a little bit to see. You have like three T27 Torx screw for the plastic. I almost put it in the wrong hole. There is a wrong hole here. Sorry about that. I won't try to start it. I don't know what's wrong with it. I need to check carburetor and everything. I will just pull it a few times to see can this starter work. It have like decent, good compression, and this starter works. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys, and please subscribe to my channel to support me so I can make more videos like this. Leave a like and feel free to leave the comment. See you guys.